You guys are covered, spread out.
Target spotted.
Target spotted.
New target acquired.
Target spotted.
There you
There you
go,
go, Alpha, Echo, Bravo.
Target acquired. Warning, incoming missile.
Target spotted. Target spotted.
I guess I could move up to the
Acquired.
middle.
Warning, incoming missile.
Okay.
Target spotted.
Marauder, come on.
New target
Right
acquired.
there. I'm coming to him too. What armament does he have?
Focus Gamma.
New target acquired. UAV activated.
Gamma's out of position, guys. Focus hard.
New target acquired.
Firing on Gamma.
New target acquired. Level critical.
No more Gamma.
You Moses 99?
UAV down.
Way to go.
There's another one, 89.
Target acquired.
Copy that. Got the UAV.
I'm coming with you, Ron. There's a Centurion below us, 99.
Oh shit.
The enemy has destroyed Alpha.
New target acquired.
Target spotted.
Alright, the UAVs are clear.
New
Keep
target
calling them out,
acquired.
guys.
Target Echo.
Firing on Echo.
Activated.
Need assistance.
Nice UAV. Target Bravo.
New target acquired.
Charlie's out of position.
New target
Sorry.
acquired.
Copy that. Full back to Charlie. Let's take him out. Take him out.
Oh shit.
New target
Good kill. Good kill.
Bravo, bravo.
Copy that. Copy that.
New target.
Make it Juliet.
Warning, incoming missile. Warning, incoming missile. New target acquired.
Firing on Bravo. I lost him.
New target acquired.
They're balling up pretty good over there. Hotels flanking left.
Critical.
Watch up top there, guys.
If you can sneeze on Alpha, that'd be great.
New target acquired. Fuel at 25%.
We're doing good here, guys. Keep it tight. Lima, right flank. India 9.
New target acquired.
Hector's out of position here. There's just 3 guys right here out of position. Delta, Lima.
New target acquired. Target destroyed. New target acquired.
A lot of soft bellies out there, guys. Let's put some bodies down.
Acquired.
We're pushing hard here. Holy shit, I'm gonna die.
Me too. Oh, I overheated.
I thought I was
I'm
gonna
dead.
die.
I died.
Damn it.
New target acquired.
Did 1,000 damage. No, we can
Target
win.
acquired.
Oh god. I think that guy is still just being on 9-9.
Fuel at 0%.
What happened?
Oh, I was at 25%. I tried to keep someone and
Target
Alright.
acquired.
do something.
This Kodiak's been sitting in 9-9 low ground like this whole match.
New target acquired.
That's a double. About time. Oh fuck, this is the real problem,
If
right?
you can back
Fox.
him, you can get him.
Fox is the problem. We're gonna stay away from him. Stay away from Fox. He's got a lot of hit points.
New target acquired.
There you go. Mind games, bro. Oh, you lost your lasers. Oh, no.
Fucking Urban's still alive too?
I hit that Urban in the face like with 4 AC-20.
There's an
rounds.
assault over here somewhere
At 25%.
in I-9. He was down in the valley when I saw him last.
His back is blown, and his core is like is
We got a light coming in.
but his front is really solid.
Way to go, guys.
Urban mech is down.
Acquired.
Okay, the other one's right over here underneath.
Here we go. Target Lima, guys. Kodiak.
Target
Try to get his back. Oh no.
No, no.
Nice.
It's just Foxtrot. He's got a lot of hit points, but we can team up on him. Make sure we're in formation.
target acquired.
There he is. 300 meters.
There you go, Ron. I know him. Get them crits. Oh.
That'll do it, boys. Good game.
Destroyed.
Nice.
Good game.
Mission
Fuck.
accomplished. That was a hard fought game.
Happy to hear of your success and
Yeah, well played, guys.
Fucking raw, man. Feels like my cord. My shit's fucked.
Holy cow.
How'd you do?